999er Hotel is 8 miles from east side, turn right heading 310, maintain 3000 until established, cleared ILS runway 34.
310, maintain 3000 to establish, cleared for the ILS 3499 Hotel.
Star 550, contact approach 124.3. Yes, sir. That's from Niner Mike Hotel, contact approach 124.3. Yes, sir.
American 2419 descending 1000, and we have Tango.
2419 regional approach, Roger, park on east or west?
Sorry, sir, park at east.
2419, runway 35 center, maintain 5000.
350 and 5000, American 2419.
Regional approach gust 5193 is 13,600 across Jobim at 11,000. We have information. Tango.
5193, regional approach, runway 36 left, cancel speed except for Siler.
Okay, cancel speed except for Siler for SkyWest 5193 for 3, what was the runway?
Runway 36 left.
36 left, SkyWest 5193, thanks.
American 2419, proceed direct to Rama.
Directly to Rama, American 2419.
W99 Hotel, descend maintain 2,300, tire established on the localizer.
99 Hotel, down to 2,300.
Alpha 0 uniform Alpha, descend maintain 3,000, advise when you have medium in sight. Double 0 Charlie Golf, lighting 110. W99 Hotel, contact tower 128.62.
99 Hotel, good day. Arlington Tower, Columbia 1299 Hotel with you on the ILS 34.
Columbia 122, question 129er Hotel, Arlington Tower, runway 34, clear to land. Wind calm, the altimeter is 3006, and stand by for a report on the runway.
Okay, clear to land, and we'll wait for the report, 99 Hotel.
Columbia 99er Hotel, the center 50 feet of the runway dry, and the all outer edges, both sides of the runway are with patchy ice and slush.
99 Hotel, roger that. Your ceiling still reported at 900?
Yes, sir, that's what we're showing.
Roger that.
Do you need approach lights on tonight?
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Okay, we've got them on step 1. Do you want them any higher?
No, that'd be fine.
Roger that. I mean, 999 Hotel, just to let you know, they did update the NOTAM on the center line area of the runway. They're now saying the center 70 feet is clear and dry.
99 Hotel, roger that. Hotel. I have the runway inside at 1200. Sure is a lot of ice down there.
Call me 999 Hotel, roger. Sure, there is.
500. Minimums.
Call me 999 Hotel, turn right, taxiway Echo. There is patchy ice on those taxiways, but I think they're mostly clear, just some large patches.
99 Hotel, roger that. Appreciate that.
No problem, sir. And are you taxiing to the FBO, or where are you going tonight?
Yeah, we're going to the FBO.
Roger, and that ramp area also has spots of patchy ice over there, so use caution and you can monitor ground point 87.
99 Hotel, good night.
Hey, 34 as you need to.
1, appreciate it. Proceeding. Mobile 2, thank you. We are proceeding. Mobile 3.